Tonight, I will tell you about the typewriter that never stops. Jonathan was a struggling writer living alone in a dim attic room. One rainy evening, he found an old black typewriter at a dusty yard sale. The owner warned, "Be careful what you ask it to write." Jonathan laughed. He paid $10, carried it home, and placed it on his desk under a tire lamp. That night, he sat with the paper loaded. He tapped a key, then paused. The typewriter cracked by itself. "Hello, Jonathan." He jumped back, heart pounding. His eyes darted around the empty room. He shook his head and whispered, "This is ridiculous." He leaned forward, ready to smash the machine, but curiosity held him back. He touched the key. It spelled, "Right." Jonathan grabbed a pen and started drafting his next story. Every few seconds, the typewriter typed in, finishing sentences, adding details he had never imagined. The plot twisted into dark corridors, hidden chambers, and a girl's terrified scream. His own words felt like warm clay beneath someone else's hands. The machine worked faster, people rolling out filled with horrors he had never thought to write. At first, he felt powerful. A bestseller in days, a mad genius. But soon, the page turned to threats. "Your blood will fill the next chapter." Jonathan froze. The room grew cold. He clutched the typewriter. Fingers numb, he tried to pull the paper up, but it tore. More words slid out. "You cannot stop." He ran to the window. He rain pounding. He turned back. The typewriter had begun a new page on its own. The title glowed in dripping red ink. The last words of Jonathan Holloway. His name. His spark turned to ice. He lunged for the power cord and yanked it from the wall. Silence. He pressed the key. Nothing happened. Relief washed over him. He twisted the typewriter into a box and locked it. The next morning, a police officer knocked. Jonathan opened the door, pale, exhausted. The officer handed him a copy of yesterday's newspaper. Front page headline, "Strange discovery in attic, writer found dead with typewriter." Jonathan blinked. The photograph showed a man in his room, slumped over the same old typewriter. Red letters smeared across the page. "The end." He slammed the paper shut. The officer mumbled apology and left. Jonathan turned to his desk. The lockbox lay there. He stared as the lid slowly creaked open. Inside, the typewriter spelled one final line all by itself. "Now it's your turn."